The Honda Civic comes equipped with Honda Sensing, an advanced suite of safety technologies designed to help protect you and your passengers on the road. One key component of Honda Sensing is Lane Departure Warning, or LDW. This system continuously monitors your vehicle's position within the lane markings using a camera mounted behind the windshield. While LDW is designed to enhance safety, there are situations where you might want to temporarily disable or adjust it. Common scenarios include driving through construction zones, navigating parking lots, or when the system produces frequent false alerts. As of 2025, Honda has enhanced the customization options for lane departure warning. Modern Civic models from 2019 to 2025 offer multiple methods to adjust or disable the system, giving you greater control over your driving experience. However, safety experts strongly recommend adjusting the sensitivity settings rather than completely disabling lane departure warning. This approach maintains important safety benefits while reducing driver annoyance from false alerts. There are three main methods to disable lane departure warning in your Honda Civic, depending on your model year and preferences. Method 1 uses the infotainment system, available in 2022 to 2025 Honda Civic models. Start your vehicle and ensure it's in park position. Access the main infotainment screen, then navigate to Settings, followed by Vehicle Settings, then Driver Assist options. Find Lane Departure Warning in the menu and toggle it to the off position. Confirm your changes before exiting. Method 2 uses the steering wheel controls and works on most Honda Civic models. Locate the LCAS button on the left side of your steering wheel. Press and hold this button for 2 to 3 seconds while watching the dashboard indicator light. When the light turns off, the system is disabled. Important note, this method only disables the system temporarily. It will automatically re-enable when you start the car again. Method 3 uses the dashboard menu system available in 2019 to 2025 models. Use your steering wheel controls to access the driver information display. Navigate to Settings, then Driver Assist Systems. Select either LKS or Lane Departure Warning from the menu and choose the off option. Remember, temporary disabling may be appropriate in specific situations like construction zones with shifted lanes, severe weather conditions, parking lot navigation, or when towing trailers. These methods give you control over your Honda Civic's lane departure warning system while maintaining safety when you need it most.